Hi, I am Abram Wilson, and in this video I am going to describe you about rheumatoid arthritis prevention diet. Never want to suffer from it again. Rheumatoid arthritis is a type of chronic, recurring, inflammatory defect that affects the lining of the joints of hands and feet, resulting in a painful swelling and finally joint degradation and bone erosion. When our immunity system mistakenly considers its own tissues as foreigner and damages them, it causes joint troubles. This is known as autoimmune disorder. It sometimes affects other body organs also, like lungs, skin, eyes, and blood vessels. Although it usually begins after the age of 40, it can affect the people of any age group. This disorder is more common among the women than men. Rheumatoid arthritis symptoms: intense, swollen and warm joints. Feeling of stiffness or inflexibility in the morning that may last for hours. Strong and tight bumps or strike of tissues under the skin of the affected area known as rheumatoid nodules. Feeling of lethargy, fever and loss of weight. Early signs of rheumatoid arthritis usually affect the smaller joints first, that is, joints attaching the fingers to hands and the toes towards feet. After it starts spreading, its symptoms reach to the elbows, shoulders, hips, knees and ankles. In several cases, these symptoms usually occur in the same joints of both the sides of the body. This type of arthritis fluctuates in the intensity that increase and decrease on consistent basis. With time, this may cause deformity of joints and the joints may shift out of its place. The ligaments and tendons that help in holding of joints together get stretched and weakened, and eventually, the joint loses its usual alignment and shape. Treatment of this type of arthritis mainly focuses on controlling the symptoms and further preventing from joint damage. Risk factors of rheumatoid arthritis: genetic factor. If one or more member of the individual's family has suffered from this type of arthritis, there is an increased risk of developing this disease to that individual. Age factor. It mostly occurs between the ages starting from 40 to 60. It may occur at any age. Gender, although the reason is still unknown, but women are more prone to develop this type of arthritis than men. Rheumatoid arthritis tends to develop the risk of other diseases as well. They are lung disease, heart problems, carpal tunnel syndrome and osteoporosis. Rheumatoid arthritis prevention diet. It is recommended to quit unhealthy habits such as smoking, alcohol and tobacco consumption and focus upon fresh fruits and vegetables, tofu, beans, sprouts, lentils, nut butters and all non-meat purely vegetarian foods. For all those who never want to suffer from rheumatoid arthritis, Rheumatoid capsules works the best for people of all ages that supplement the body with sufficient nutrients and gives the energy internally. These capsules have anti-inflammatory properties that help in promoting range of motion and flexibility by suppressing the swelling and pain caused by arthritis. Buy Rheumatoid capsules at worldwideweb.darmanis.com.